Hey, welcome back. My name is Dino. This video is on map design. It's going to look at the various elements for designing a map, the key elements you want to look at. First is color. Why do we use color in a map? It helps to attract attention, group similar elements, show meaning, and enhance aesthetics. So it has multiple uses. You want to limit the number of colors that you use in a map. The eye can only process so much. So a limited color palette is best. I would try to suggest 10 to 12 colors. That's standard from Mapbox. Consistency is important for colors. You want to adjust the color palette while maintaining visual harmony. You want to match the saturation, which is the intensity and dominance of colors, and lightness across the different hues, so it's somewhat consistent. Typography. It's really important, typography. It's one of the most important design elements of your map because that's where you're going to read letters and numbers. There are a lot of labels on map. That's one of the key things in a map. They're often 1 to 3 words long or displayed in very small sizes. As a result, you want to make sure that you have a high quality typefaces with high quality styles, weights and widths for styles. That's that they have italics, caps italic, etc. For weights, from ultra light to ultra black, and as well widths, which can be condensed, narrow, normal, mono, and expanded. For typography, readability is really essential. You want to arrange the words on your map in a way that allows a reader's eye to access the content easily and intelligibly. That can often be missed when people are creating their first maps. Finally, this is more of a high-level piece of design for map typography, is the personality of the typography. This speaks to the voice and energy the typeface exudes. Sans serif fonts work best on the web and mobile because of the lower DPI. So you might want to use those if your map is going to be digital. Typography drives map readability. If it's bad typography, if it's bad readability, bad map. In terms of iconography, you want to think about points of interest, POIs. Your various icons you choose represent any type of location or business, from libraries to cafes to parks to museums to bus stops, depending on what your map is about. If you're using maps to enhance your brand, the icons that you use should reinforce your brand and strengthen your map's brand recognition readability. If it goes against your brand, that's obviously bad news. You want to make sure that the iconography you choose is cross-cultural. The successful map icons must be widely recognizable even across cultures, as simple as possible and legible at sizes as small as 11 pixels. From this, you want to choose easily recognizable and readable icons. Finally, texture. That's the perceived surface quality of a design piece. An example of this would be that you can have patterns as a texture. They can be added to map features to differentiate or blend elements. They could also stand independently as a texture for the map or full background patterns. Also, for a seamless texture, you want to look for that. That's where your image or pattern that can be placed side by side with itself without creating a noticeable boundary between the two copies of the image. You want to have that texture seamless. Finally, texture is an added bonus in your map design toolkit. It's not essential, but it makes it more the aesthetic is better. That was map design. My name is Dino. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to like this video if you like it. Please feel free to comment on any of the issues raised, such as the color that you're choosing, the number of colors, their intensity, their lightness, the typography, the typefaces you use, the iconography, whether it's cross-cultural and makes sense in as many places as possible, as well as texture, which again is a high-level thing you might want to add if you have extra time in your map. It's looking good, but you want to make it look better. Finally, if you like this type of video, please feel free to subscribe to this channel for similar types of content. As always, thanks for watching.